Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take a look at how the internal combustion engine works, one of the most important inventions of modern times. This type of engine powers most of our cars, motorcycles, and many other machines. Let's take a closer look at how it works, what its components are, and how engines are divided. How an internal combustion engine works. An internal combustion engine converts chemical energy from fuel into mechanical energy. This process takes place in several steps, known as the four-stroke cycle: intake, compression, expansion, explosion, and exhaust. In the first beat, suction, the piston moves downward and creates a vacuum in the cylinder. This vacuum sucks the air-fuel mixture from the carburetor or injection system into the cylinder. At this point, the intake valve opens, allowing the mixture to enter the cylinder. In the second beat, compression, the intake valve closes and the piston moves back up. This compresses the air-fuel mixture into a smaller volume, increasing its pressure and temperature. This prepares the mixture for efficient combustion. In the third beat, expansion, the spark plug ignites the compressed mixture, causing an explosive expansion. This explosive force pushes the piston down, creating mechanical energy that drives the crankshaft. This piston movement is the main source of engine power. On the last beat, the exhaust valve opens and the piston moves up again. This pushes the burnt gases out of the cylinder through the exhaust system. Then the whole cycle repeats again from the intake. The main components of an internal combustion engine. Now let's look at the main components that make up an internal combustion engine. Each of these components plays a key role in the efficient functioning of the engine. Pistons. They move inside the cylinders and convert the pressure created from combustion into mechanical energy. The pistons are connected to the crankshaft by connecting rods. Cylinders. The chambers in which combustion takes place. Most engines have several cylinders arranged in different configurations, such as inline, V formation, or flat configuration. Crankshaft converts the linear motion of the pistons into rotary motion. This rotary motion can then be used to drive the wheels of a vehicle or other mechanisms. Camshaft opens and closes valves at the right time. The cams on the camshaft are shaped to provide precise timing for opening and closing the valves. Valves. They control the air and fuel entering the cylinders and the exhaust gases exiting. The intake valves open during intake, and the exhaust valves open during exhaust. Spark plugs. They ignite the air-fuel mixture in spark ignition engines. The spark plug creates a spark that causes the mixture to explode on the compression stroke. Fuel system provides fuel to the engine. This system may include the fuel tank, fuel pump, filters, and injection system or carburetor. Classification of internal combustion engines. Internal combustion engines can be divided into several categories according to different criteria. One of the main criteria is how the fuel is ignited. Spark ignition engines, petrol. These engines use spark plugs to ignite the air-fuel mixture. They are common in cars and motorcycles because of their smooth running and quick acceleration. Diesel engines. In these engines, air is compressed to a high pressure, which raises its temperature enough that when fuel is injected into the cylinder, the mixture ignites on its own. Diesel engines are popular for their efficiency and long life and are often used in trucks and industrial machinery. Two-stroke engines. They complete the work cycle in 2 strokes. They are simpler and lighter, but less efficient and more polluting compared to 4-stroke engines. They are often used in smaller machines such as lawn mowers and chainsaws. 4-stroke engines. They complete the duty cycle in 4 strokes, allowing for better combustion control and greater efficiency. They are common in automobiles and other vehicles. And that's a basic overview of how an internal combustion engine works, what its main components are, and how we can break them down. Thanks to this amazing invention, we can travel, work, and use many machines every day. I hope you learned something new and interesting. If you have any questions or ideas for more videos, feel free to drop us a line in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a like to this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.